everyone, and welcome to this film short. I'm your host, the Doc, the GhostNet guy. In this short, we're aboard the little boat, the Intense. We're in Clovos Passage. We're in a depth of over 400 feet. And we're studying the migrating path of these orca whales that are in the southern and middle Puget Sound. Today, we have a pod coming through from the south, moving north, and there is a patrol boat of scientists, marine biologists, studying the feces that the orcas are leaving behind. They have a little scooper pooper, and they're able to tell some of the things that maybe are bothering the orca. But in my research, I'm studying the water quality and why it's being so degraded with the outfalls and the amount of liquid of toxins that are falling through these pipes. And as these pipes are being placed into the environment of Puget Sound, eventually this liquid will now start traveling through these large pipes into the sound in deep depths over 100 to 200 feet. They lay on the seafloor where no one can see them. And the current in Puget Sound takes this wastewater and brings it along the seafloor all the way out, eventually reaching the Pacific Ocean. My research is looking at the amount of water clarity as this camera has been dropping towards the bottom. All you see is snow, whiteout conditions. I truly believe this is what's causing some of our issues with our orca whales, because this is getting into their breathing system of their lungs, and it's throughout Puget Sound. 10 years ago, I did not have this issue at all. Nothing. Now today, in the year 2014, turning into 2015, these outfalls and people that are fertilizing their yards, making everything turn kind of a yellowish lime green, and then we get these really hot summers of elevated temperatures. That's not a good thing. So if you are seeing what I am seeing, and that is this snow, and I truly believe, like I said before, it's changing the migrating path of our orca whales in the southern, middle Puget Sound. This year, it's been pretty quiet. Haven't seen a lot. Where did they go? Wow. Until next time, this is the Doc. Got to get a hold of Cosmos to bring me back. Cosmos, come on, bring me back, will you? Thanks. Wow. Boy, did I see a lot of neat things with the whales. Thanks, Cosmos. Hey, what are you guys doing? You're bracking again? What's the score? Cosmos 6, Charcoal 4. Wow. Eddie's chalking up the stick. This will be continued, I'm sure. Bye-bye, everyone.